we have plane. This is the point P. We want to find its image. Let this image as Q and this will be midpoint. Because जितना point ऊपर होगा उसकी image उतनी ही नीचे होगी, तो that point will be the midpoint. So let us start with the question for more clarification. Find the image of point 3, -2, 1 in the plane. Plane has equation 3x minus 5 plus 4z equals to 2. Write down. Let Q be the image of point P. Let Q be the image of point P in the plane. In the plane 3x minus y plus 4z is equals to 2. Therefore, direction ratios of PQ are proportional to, because it is in plane, direction ratios are proportional to 3 minus 1, 4. And line PQ will pass through point P. जो line PQ है that pass through point P and has direction ratio this. So the equation of line PQ, x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 upon a, b and c. So this is the equation of line. Let equals to lambda say. So we get coordinates x, y, z as 3 lambda plus 3 minus lambda minus 2, 4 lambda plus 1. Let these are the coordinates of point Q. Let these as coordinates of point Q. Now R is the midpoint of PQ. R is midpoint of PQ. So coordinates of R will be x1 plus x2. 3 lambda plus 3 plus 3 by 2. y1 plus y2 upon 2. z1 plus z2 upon 2. These were the coordinates. So coordinates of R are 3 lambda plus 6 by 2 minus lambda minus 4 by 2, 4 lambda plus 2 by 2. By taking 2 common from here, we get it as 2 lambda plus 1. 2 lambda plus 1. Now since the point R lies on the plane, point R lies on plane, so put this value 3x is 3 lambda plus 6 by 2 minus y plus 4z is equals to 2. From here we will find the value of lambda. 3 into 3, 3 into 6 minus minus plus lambda plus 4. 2 into 4, 8 into 2, 8 into 1. 2 goes on right hand side, 2 into 2, 9, 10 and 16. 8 plus 4, 4 will be cancelled here, 18 plus 8. From here we get lambda as minus 1. Put the value of lambda in equation 1. So the coordinates of Q will be minus 3 plus 3 minus minus plus 1 minus 4 plus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 3. 0, minus 1 and minus 3. Now the next one. Find the length and the foot of perpendicular from the point. Find the length and foot of perpendicular from the point 7, 14, 5. 7, 14, 5 to the plane 2x plus 4y minus z equals to 2. Also find the image of point P in the plane. Let M be the foot of perpendicular. Let M be the foot of perpendicular from P on the given plane, from point P on plane 2x plus 4y minus z equals to 2. Then PM is normal to the plane. PM is normal to the plane, perpendicular to the plane, and the direction ratios are proportional to 2, 4, minus 1. So the equation of line, PM passes through plane, therefore equation of plane is so minus lambda plus 5. Now M lies on the plane. So put these values in plane. 2 into x plus 4 into y minus z is equals to 2. 4 lambda plus 14. So what do we get? 16 plus 5, 21 lambda, 70 minus 5, 65. So we get 21 lambda is equals to minus 63. Lambda is minus 3. Put the value of lambda. Minus 6 plus 7, minus 12 plus 14, minus plus 3 and plus 5. 1, 2 and 8. So the point M has coordinates 1, 2 and 8. Now we want to find the length PM by using the formula x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. 7 minus 1, 6 square, 12 square, 3 square. So what we get? Square root of 189. So length of perpendicular is, we can factorize 189. So we can write it as 3 root 21. 3 root 21. After that, we have find the length. Now we want to find the coordinates of point Q. Let coordinates of Q is x1, y1, z1. M is midpoint of PQ. So coordinates of M is equals to x1 plus 7 by 2, y1 plus 14 by 2, z1 plus 5 by 2. We have already found the coordinates of M as 1, 2, 8. So x1 plus 7 by 2 is equals to 1. y1 plus 14 by 2 is equals to 2. z1 plus 5 by 2 is equals to 8. So we get x1 as 2 minus 7, 4 minus 14, 16 minus 5. So coordinates of Q will be minus 5, minus 10 and 11. -5, -10 and 11. Now the next one. Find the image of point having position vector. Find the image of point having position vector I plus 3j plus 4k in the plane r dot 2i minus j plus k plus 3 equals to 0. Find the image of point having position vector this in the plane this. Let Q be the image of point P. Let Q be the image of point P in the given plane. Let Q be the image of point P in given plane. Then PQ is normal to the plane. Then PQ is normal to the plane. So PQ passes through P and is normal to the given plane. PQ passes through P and normal to the given plane. So it is parallel to the normal vector. PQ is parallel to normal vector 2i minus j plus k cap. Therefore, vector equation of line PQ, R vector is equals to A vector plus lambda B vector. A vector, the point through which the line pass, and B vector is, that is parallel to the line. Parallel to the line is n vector. So 2i minus j plus k. This is the vector equation of the line. Write down. Also Q lies on PQ. Also Q lies on PQ. Therefore, coordinates of Q will be 1 plus 2 lambda, 3 minus lambda, 4 plus lambda. Therefore, coordinates of Q will be this. Coordinates of Q. Now R is the midpoint of PQ. Coordinates of R will be equals to 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 by 2, 3 minus lambda plus 3 by 2, 4 plus lambda plus 4 by 2. I cap, j cap and k cap. So the coordinates of R are 2 lambda plus 2 lambda plus 1 I cap, 3 plus 3 6 minus lambda by 2 j cap, 8 plus lambda by 2 k cap. Now point R lies on the plane. Write down. Point R lies on the plane. R dot 2i minus j plus k is equal to minus 3 or plus 3 equals to 0. R vector this value, lambda plus 1 I cap, 3 minus lambda by 2 j cap, 4 plus lambda by 2 k cap, dot with 2i minus j plus k plus 3 equals to 0. From here we will get the value of lambda. 2 into lambda plus 1 minus 1 into 3 minus lambda by 2, 1 into 4 plus lambda by 2 plus 3 equal to 0. So minus 2. Lambda is minus 2. So put the value of lambda. To find the position vector of Q, 1 minus 4 minus minus plus 4 minus 2 k cap. So we have position vector of Q as minus 3i plus 5j plus 2k. Minus 3i